Say goodbye to back-breaking scrubbing. Meet the Diamond Shine Turbo Cleaner. With its extra wide flat brush head, it easily tackles floors and walls, leaving them spotless. The round brush head is perfect for tubs and sinks, making tough stains disappear in seconds. For those tight, hard to reach spots, the corner scrub brush gets the job done without any effort. Cordless and rechargeable, Diamond Shine goes wherever you need it. No more being tied to an outlet. From scrubbing kitchen sinks and countertops to making your bathroom sparkle and even shining your car wheels, Diamond Shine handles it all. Save time, effort, and your back. What makes this turbo cleaner unique is its versatility and ease of use. With just a simple switch of the brush heads, you can transition from cleaning large surfaces to intricate details effortlessly. It's designed for convenience. The rechargeable battery provides long-lasting power, and the compact design allows for easy storage. Get your Diamond Shine Turbo Cleaner today and make cleaning easy. Clean smarter, not harder. Diamond Shine, your ultimate cleaning companion.